Alright, I'm gonna be a little mean to you people today. Talk about Judge Astacio. Okay? Yes, she got a DWI. Yes, she got convicted. Yes, she fucked up when they said they weren't gonna put her on any kind of probation or anything, and she fucked up, so they put her on probation, okay? I'm not defending her for those actions at all. But I'm gonna tell you something. You people are assholes. And I'll tell you why. Do you ever actually consider to take the time to research the law of when it's illegal to actually purchase a shotgun or any kind of long rifle? I mean, she didn't try to buy a pistol, so we're gonna cancel that out. But there's no law in New York State or the federal government that states that she cannot purchase a gun. Because for one, she's not a felon. She's never been convicted of a felony. She's only been convicted of a misdemeanor, which does not restrict you from buying guns. For two, she's never been convicted of any kind of domestic abuse or violence of any kind. And according to law, DWI is not considered a violent crime. As long as you didn't, if she was considered with involuntary manslaughter or something, that might be considered, but I'm not sure. But that's a felony anyway, so that doesn't matter. And three, she's never been deemed by a medical professional on record in the court system to be mentally incapable of owning a weapon. Now you're thinking, well, she was on probation, which restricts her from owning a weapon. Well, you're kind of right. Yes, probation does restrict you from owning a firearm. However, probation is a contract between a judge and a person to keep somebody out of jail. Judges, according to the Constitution of the United States, cannot make up laws, and they cannot make up laws and execute them as they feel. So, who's more corrupted, Judge Astacio or the Rochester court system, the state court system? It's all fucked up because they're charging her with a felony she did not commit. But you're like, oh, no. I've been on probation, and unlike most dumbasses on probation, I actually read every single fucking line that I had, every single piece of paper I had to sign. And don't get me wrong, the probation officer that was processing me hated me. Not because I was giving her problems, because I was just taking too much fucking time. I was taking way too much time because I wanted to read everything that was in there. And I'll tell you right now, according to the paperwork, when you go on probation, not for me because I'm a felon. So therefore, I can't legally attempt to buy a shotgun. Period. Because I am categorized as somebody who can't, where it would be a felony. But she's been convicted of a misdemeanor. So basically, when she signed that paperwork, or the same paperwork I signed, it says that you cannot own a firearm. But you got to remember, it's between a judge and a person. So the only thing she's saying, the only thing the contract says is she promises not to own a firearm to keep her out of jail. And when you violate probation, what they do is they bring up your while you're on probation, what you get convicted for, and they'll send you to jail and give you that amount of time to go to jail, which she was trying to do in the first place. She asked to go to jail, and the judge denied that. That's unconstitutional. That's not justice. She chose her punishment because it's either jail or probation. She didn't want to go on probation, but the judge decided that they don't want to do that. That to me is corruption right there. Because she would have done her 6 months, probably got out 4 months early, and then her sentence would have been over. So my thing is this. If you want to have strong opinions on Judge Astacio and how awful she is, she could be an awful person. I don't know, because I don't know her personally. All I know, regardless, she's just like you and me. She's a human being that should be protected by the law of the Constitution of the United States, and that's being violated. I don't care if she's a bad person. I don't care. It's because it applies to everybody. You can't just pick and choose who gets fucking justice and who doesn't, who gets protected under the Constitution. That's not how it works. So, please, shut the fuck up on Judge Astacio. If you hate her, go fuck yourself. You don't even know her. And why do you even care? Oh, what? Because she got paid for a little while being suspended? Well, maybe you should question your government and why people are fired and they get suspended with pay. It's the same thing with police officers who commit crimes. It's the same thing with all that. But she didn't get freaking taken off the bench because of her DWI. She got taken off the bench because the public outcry made somebody investigate her and see how badly of a judge she was. Honestly, more judges are probably worse than her. The thing is, they never just had that investigation. However, according to the records, they found that she wasn't capable of being a judge based off of performance, which I find that bullshit. They just wanted to fucking satisfy the stupid public that we have. Because society's stupid. You people don't read. You just go on social media and you fucking click down and you get all pissed off and you read some opinion fucking biased article and you think you know what you're talking about. No, that's not how it works. Research shit for once. Actually do something. Take time out of your fucking day. Otherwise, then you should have no opinion on anything at all. Because you're just really that dumb. And I hate dumb people because you just float through life like fucking everything's fucking fine. And every time you see something on social media that pisses you off, you get all offended and all sensitive. So you want to know what? Judge Astacio should not only be freaking... All the charges should be dropped against her. They should fucking owe her the fact that they should get rid of her misdemeanor for the injustices that the court system has caused her. So that's what I have to say.